Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the LOVEVOOK laptop backpack for women, hailed as one of the best small work backpacks available right now. Whether you're a professional on the go or a student looking for practicality without compromising style, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start by exploring what makes this backpack stand out. Designed with both functionality and fashion in mind, the LOVEVOOK backpack is crafted to cater to the needs of busy women. It boasts a sleek, modern design in a versatile dark gray-black color scheme. First off, the dimensions are 12 inches in length, 7.5 inches in width, and 17 inches in height, making it compact yet spacious enough to accommodate all your essentials. It's ideal for professionals like doctors, nurses, or anyone who needs a reliable companion for their daily commute or workday. Now, let's talk organization. This backpack doesn't disappoint with its impressive 27-liter capacity, featuring 2 main compartments and a whopping 19 pockets. Yes, you heard that right, 19 pockets. From dedicated spaces for your laptop and tablet to smaller compartments for your keys, cards, and even a paper extraction side bag, it's designed to keep everything tidy and accessible. Comfort matters too, especially when you're carrying your essentials around all day. The LOVEVOOK backpack includes padded shoulder straps and a luggage strap to conveniently attach to your suitcase, making travel a breeze. Plus, there's an anti-theft pocket to keep your valuables safe and secure. Now, here's a feature that's a game changer: the built-in USB charging port. Perfect for staying connected on the go, simply plug your power bank into the integrated charging cable and charge your devices hassle-free. Quality is key, and LOVEVOOK doesn't disappoint. They offer a 30-day return policy and an impressive 3-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. In conclusion, the LOVEVOOK laptop backpack for women combines style, functionality, and practicality into one sleek package. Whether you're a professional needing a reliable work bag or a student looking for a versatile backpack, this could be your perfect match. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing this backpack, I've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more product reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.